Hello everybody, I am Balji Dhaka from Pinnacle Coaching Center, and today we are going to discuss Tier 4 Job Assured Tier 4 program paper code P101. P is related to PowerPoint because this is CPT program. In fact, CPT and DEST. In DEST only typing will come, and in CPT there are three modules: MS Word and Excel and PowerPoint. So in this particular presentation we are discussing PowerPoint. Question will come in this format. This is question, and you will find as a printout in your exam, and you have to work on create presentation on PowerPoint. So let's see. This is the question. In fact, what is spiritual knowledge? This is the kind of stuff that you will get, and question you will get in this format. Heading, instruction, heading, font size, agency FB. This would be the font size, means heading is this. This is the heading, and while you create PowerPoint presentation, then you have to keep this heading in FB, agency FB. Font size would be 40, and other content would be like, these are the content, other content. So you have to use this layout. You have to use this layout because your presentation would, this is PowerPoint presentation printout in fact. So your layout would be like this, and these are the contents, and contents in context, first text font style is Arial and font size is 20. So this is first, and font size is 20. Second is, so you will find that here different font style, different font style, different font style, and different font style. Bullet point, here you will find different kind of bullet points type. And then after that, fill the background of the text block with the same color as in the sheet given. So this is the in fact background you have to create, and you will find you will get 15 minutes to create everything. And you have to also create footer. Add date, time, roll number, and name in footer from header and footer section. Font Arial black, font size 16, and save your slide with your name. Now we have to create this slide. Now how will you create? Just go to desktop. You can start go in start, and from there you will find program. In program you will find MS Office, and from that you can choose PowerPoint presentation. Otherwise directly you can click here, and then go in PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint presentation you will find you have to first name, and now let's say we are keeping name P101. Always remember that this should be extension .ppt export PowerPoint presentation for MS Office 2007. Generally SSC has given that you have to prepare on MS Office 2007. So it is advisable to use MS Office 2007 while practicing. However, for one or two purposes, you can also, in one or two cases, you can also use MS Office 2010. Now this is the slide that you will find. This is the kind of screen that you will find once you open this PowerPoint presentation. After that, let's see. First you go to heading. Now first you have to choose, then you have to choose type of layout. You can use this because in the question paper it is used this. How will you use? You can click here directly. Otherwise what you will do, you go to this, and then you click right click, and in right click you will find layout. This is the layout, and now go to this. So this is the in fact layout of this question paper. Now the next point is in the text font. In the text font heading you have to create font style agency FB and font size 40. So what is the heading? Heading is what is spiritual knowledge. What is spiritual knowledge? So first you type here what is spiritual knowledge. Now your style would be agency FB, and font size would be 40. This from this you have to choose from this, and font size is 40. And after that now this you will find. Now in the next portion we have done heading, and now you have to type this entire thing, you have to type. So let's type this. Now I have typed this entire content, and now see, this is the content entire. On previous screen you can see. Now we have to change the fonts, bullet points, and according to the requirement. Let's see. In the first text, font style is Arial and font size is 20. Arial and 20. This is first, and here you will find, you can select. How will you select? Like this. Left click and then drag. And after that, font style Arial. Sorry, this is agency FB, and in the first case Arial and font size is 20. You can for simplicity you can also write this if you are visual. I hope this is visual. Now you take it 20, because this is 20, and Arial, you write here Arial. In the next case, it is style is Calibri body. Next paragraph, style is Calibri body. Already we have Calibri body, and font size is 20, so you can lose it 20. In the next case, font size is Bodoni empty. Font is Bodoni empty. You can here type Bodoni empty, and font size 20. In the next case, it is book Antica and size 20. Type again book Antica and size 20. Now we have changed the font. Now we have to change. In the next question, all bullet style must be same as given in the slide. These are the bullet style. So here it is obviously first case this is same, this bullet. In the second case you select this, and then you can use this. You have to use this. In fact, in the third paragraph, bullet is this. You click here, and then you will find bullet here. And in the fourth paragraph, now it should be like this. This is the bullet. Now we have changed this. After that, what you have to do is, in the next case, fill the background of the text block and with the same color as in the sheet given. This is the color. What you will do, you click here, and then you will find here shape fill, and then use this. In fact, this is the color that is in there. Now you have done everything. You can also click here to justify everything. Now it is better. Now we have checked. There are 2-3 important points here. Number one is that you should be very careful about the spelling and the sentences, that you have not left any word or any sentences and your spellings are in place. Number two, what are the requirement you can check from here. You will find here, then you check this. It is important because your accuracy is very, very important. Here the percentage error is very important because that will make you out from this competition. Now the next line would be, next is in the footer case, add date, time, roll number and name in the footer from header and footer. So what you will do, so you have to go here in the insert and then header and footer, date and time, and go to footer. You have to use date and time, you have to use. So you can also use this, because here date is given and time is given, and that will be according to the time of the computer. Now here you will find footer. In footer you have to use roll number and name. So here you can write roll number and then name. You can write any name. I have left blank, and then you have to apply. So everything we have covered in this. Now next portion, that it is written that in the next line, font size should be Arial black and should be 16. Size should be 16, so it should be Arial black. It should be Arial black. Go in home and then choose this Arial black. This is Arial black and size should be 16. This is 16 size. Similarly for name, and for roll number purposes also, size should be 16 and it should be Arial black. Now in this way you have completed date, time, roll number. What is your roll number? You can also write here, and then name. So in this way we have covered the entire paper. Save with your slide with your name. Now you have to go this, you can go to save as option or save option according to, because we have already given the name of this slide, so we can save this. It is important that you should save, otherwise you can do blunder if you will not save. Every time you should save whatever you are writing. So this is the actual solution of that particular test paper. This was paper code 101. I hope that you have understood the basic concept, that what kind of question will come in the exam and how you can respond to that. 3-4 important things here, that you should be very careful about the error of grammar, error of spelling, error of sentences, error of bullet points, error of font size, error of size, font type of font, and what kind of layout, bold, letter, and italic, underline, everything. And one thing here, see, it is also given in this particular that you have to underline this in the third text. While we are discussing it, we have forgotten one thing, that it is also written that you have to underline this third paragraph. You have to underline, and you can see from this also. So what you have to do is that you have to underline this paragraph. How will you underline? You select this and go in the underline section. So this is now underlined. This is complete now. I hope that you have understood the entire concept of SSC CGL CPT exam from this presentation, and there are 50 PowerPoint presentation, 50 tests in fact. In that you will find you have to create PPT, and there will be 50 Excel sheets, and there will be huge typing tests, so that you can understand from these large number of tests you can develop skills and it can give better result in the exam. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. All the best.